Are you ready to take back control of your finances? You've heard it before. Pay off your debts, blah blah blah. Although it may seem annoying to listen to, it's actually an effective strategy. However, you must first try to establish a little emergency fund. Having $1,000 to $10,000 in the bank actually offers you a wide range of financial security. You can avoid taking on additional debt if you have $1,000 in savings before getting out of debt. For example, if your tire goes flat, your kid gets ill, or the plumbing beneath the sink bursts, you'll be prepared to deal with it. Once you've paid off your debt, you'll be able to focus on the more essential things in your life. You may be asking yourself, how will I make $1,000 to $10,000? Don't be concerned. We've got a lot of options at our disposal. With a little bit of a risk, you can earn this amount in only a few days or a few months. Hey folks, this is Capital Finance, your go-to channel for business ideas, entrepreneurship, investment, and personal finance. Before we begin with our first tip, make sure to like this video and comment your thoughts in the comment section below. Now, let's start. Number 1. Do a saving spree. You might be well versed in the concept of going on a shopping frenzy. How about going on a saving spree? Spending relatively little money over time and saving it instead is known as a budgeting strategy. Because they last for a shorter period of time, short-term spending cuts are simpler than long-term ones. You know you can go a month without buying new clothes, but maybe not a year, so sticking to the plan isn't too tricky. During your saving spree, you need to identify cheaper alternatives to your present spending patterns or just refuse to buy the stuff you don't need right now to advance towards your goal more quickly. We'll talk about simple ways to save money for minor purchases and longer-term goals like buying a house or a car. If you can't come home from Thanksgiving or go to a Justin Bieber concert because you're on a spending ban, tell your loved ones and friends about your financial situation. The aim is to think twice about every purchase before making one and only making really essential purchases. Before you head to the supermarket, take a look at what you already have in your pantry and refrigerator, and using what you have, figure out what more items you need to cook a couple more dinners. Additionally, look at your top expenditures to see if there are any areas where you may save money. House, commuting, electricity, and meals are the most common necessities. If you can find a method to reduce these significant monthly expenses, you will quickly reach your savings target. Moving in with relatives to save money for a down payment and closing expenses on the house is a dramatic option if you need to keep a large amount of money. Number 2. Sell some of your unused stuff. If you don't have the time to work extra hours, consider selling some of your unwanted items to get some extra cash. There may be substantial resale value in still functioning gadgets, designer clothing, jewelry, collector's goods, antique toys, and bicycles. Do some research to find the finest place to dispose of your unwanted items. Craigslist may be an excellent place to sell reasonably priced technology and fitness equipment, but beware of scammers and untrustworthy buyers. Things like clothing and collectibles can also be sold on eBay or consigned at consignment shops for a profit. Consider holding a traditional garage sale as an alternative. Even if you're only selling old baby clothing by the bin, a good-sized one may easily fetch you a few $100s. Trying to save money quickly is the best part. You'll discover which approaches work best for you and be able to use them again in the future. Savings may continue even after a home, ring, or airline ticket has been purchased. That way, you'll be able to handle any unexpected bills that may arise. Number 3. Collect what you can collect. Find money that is owed to you or hidden away to help you save even more quickly. Do you have any credit card reward points? Request a refund check or a statement credit and save yourself the money you would have spent on a credit card transaction. In this case, You can use your points instead of cash to make the purchases you need to make right away, such as flights or gift cards. Is there a coin jar or piggy bank in your home? Spend an evening sorting your silver coins using the bank's coin robbers. Avoid using a Coinstar machine to deposit money. Customers of TD Bank are entitled to free use of the penny arcade machines located at their local branches. Perhaps you have a friend who might help. Moreover, every penny matters if you're attempting to save money quickly. Do you know of any bank accounts that are nearly forgotten? Regardless of how little money you have left in them, take the time to close them out. Check the balance of your PayPal account while you're at it. If you need the money for something else right now, don't keep it in the bank for your next internet buy. Who else has a debt to you that has to be paid? You won the football pool, so make sure your brother pays up. And don't forget to file that long delayed expenditure report. Don't let your ex-landlord forget to return your security deposit to you. Send in your contact lens rebate as well. Make sure you get your hands on the money you earned. Number 4. Get a part-time job. If you've done everything to reduce your spending but still haven't reached your savings goal, it's time to look at the other essential factor, your earnings. Inquire about additional work opportunities such as taking on extra shifts. Get a second job that earns you a little extra money, which can help you put money away faster. The majority of your increased wages may go towards your goal even if you have to pay a little extra on transportation or services that allow you to work more, such as childcare, meal preparation, or dry cleaning. Babysitting, house cleaning, working as a bartender or waiter, or walking dogs are all examples of side hustles that many individuals are capable of. TaskRabbit, Elance, and Uber may be able to help you find work. Specialized abilities like website design, academic tutoring, or teaching foreign languages can lead to lucrative work opportunities for those who possess them. Number 5. Automate your savings. Consider utilizing an app that handles the work for you if you frequently forget to deposit money into your savings account or are unsure how much to save. Several programs can help you save money automatically, and options include Capital and Digit. As a result of these automated savings applications, you'll create a savings habit without even realizing it. If you've saved a lot of money, consider moving it to a high-yield savings account instead of using these applications, where you'll get a higher annual percentage rate. Number 6. Cancel unnecessary subscriptions. Get rid of any subscriptions that aren't absolutely required if you want to be a good saver. If you signed up for a free trial of a new streaming service but neglected to cancel it, you might be in for a nasty surprise. Or perhaps you paid for a gym membership that you're not using. Look for recurring subscription charges on your monthly credit card or bank accounts. Once you've canceled any extra services, save the money you saved. Helping hands are available even if you don't have an account at a particular financial institution. Many fintech programs such as Trim and Truebill are available to help you save money on your subscriptions and other monthly expenses. Above all these things, it's important to set your mind on saving a specific amount of money. Mindset and conviction are the most important things when doing something important. Without it, your endeavor is bound to fail. So, thank you for watching this video, folks. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to get updated on our latest uploads. See you next time!